There's nothing wrong with wanting to do everything in your business. When you finish each project, you love the feeling of accomplishment. But when you start to fall behind, or you know you're not doing something as well as you should, you may start wondering if it's something that you should continue doing. This is true when you're doing your own bookkeeping for your business. And in today's podcast episode, I'll help you decide if outsourcing your bookkeeping is something that you should be thinking about for your business. You really want to think through your options, and when it comes to bookkeeping, you're fortunate that it doesn't always have to be all or nothing. If you've been wondering if outsourcing your bookkeeping is the direction that you should be taking in your business, I'll help you understand how you can improve your bookkeeping process, the top reasons most business owners outsource their bookkeeping, and the advantages that you'll see if you decide that outsourcing is best for you and your business. It doesn't matter if you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. You need to make sure that you're taking control of and understanding your business finances, and if you're unable to keep up with your bookkeeping, it's time to make some important decisions for your business. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements, let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. Bookkeeping is one of those necessary tasks that need to be done, and it doesn't matter what kind of business you have or which products or services that you provide. You need to have this financial information at the very least so that you can file your tax return every year. This financial information is so valuable, yet so many business owners don't take advantage of having it in real time, backing their decisions and solidifying their reasons. But instead, they blindly make decisions and hope for the best. There's nothing wrong with a business owner doing their own bookkeeping, but there may be times when you want to take a second look to see if it's in your best interest to continue doing it. Many business owners will do their own bookkeeping when they first start their business. They have more time to devote to their bookkeeping since other areas of their business are not demanding as much of their time. They might be excited about seeing the sales come in, and they more than likely have fewer transactions, which makes it more manageable and easier for them to stay up to date. When your business grows, you may find the time that you used to have to do your bookkeeping starts to dwindle, and you spend less and less time on your business finances. Today, I want to address the thoughts that you might be having when you're wondering if you should continue doing your own bookkeeping or if you should begin to look into outsourcing it. This is a decision you want to think through clearly. Your ultimate goal is to ensure that you have accurate and reliable financial information about your business. Let's start with some of the major signs that you may need to outsource your bookkeeping. The first is time. If you find that your bookkeeping is taking up too much of your valuable time, or you're just not devoting or prioritizing your time to make sure that your bookkeeping is up to date, this may be a significant reason to look into outsourcing your bookkeeping. And outsourcing will free up more of your time so that you can put that back into your business. Next is if you know your bookkeeping is behind and it needs to be caught up. You may feel overwhelmed with the daily tasks and you might be putting off your reconciliations. When this happens, you'll find yourself with feelings of uncertainty and you're unsure about not only your financial status, but you're also hesitant about making business decisions due to the lack of financial knowledge. You might also find that you're unable to file your tax return on time, or you need to file an extension because you just need more time to get your bookkeeping up to date. So let's talk about some of the top reasons business owners decide to outsource their bookkeeping. One of the first reasons is that it can be cost effective. Not only do you want to think about the value of your time as a business owner that you could be saving when you outsource, but when you outsource your bookkeeping rather than hiring an in-house bookkeeper, you're also saving money on benefits, vacation, paid time off, insurance, and paying for time when your employee doesn't have enough work to do. When you outsource, you only have to pay for the services provided, and most times, you'll agree on a monthly amount so that you can budget these expenses easily. When you outsource your bookkeeping, you're also gaining their expertise. An outsourced bookkeeper has the knowledge and experience of working with other businesses as well. They're able to help you create processes that are efficient so that you don't have to waste your valuable time and money, such as utilizing computerized software systems like QuickBooks Online to reduce errors and reconcile accounts to ensure accuracy. With a system like QuickBooks Online, they can also make sure that you have access to your bookkeeping data so that you're always aware of what's happening within your business. The bookkeeping system will be able to grow with you as your business grows and can adapt to any changes in your business. You'll have access to all of your customer and your vendor information if needed, and you can even generate reports yourself if you want to. They can help you be aware of expenses that you might need to reduce and help you receive payments on past due customers as well. They can provide additional financial information so that you understand your business, such as a sales by summary report, so that you can see who your largest customers are at any point in time. Their overall goal is to have everything up to date and provide you with financial statements so that you can have confidence in exactly how your business is doing. When you outsource your bookkeeping, you get to decide which bookkeeping tasks you would like help with. You might decide that you'll continue with entering your transactions and you only want to outsource help with reconciling your accounts and generating your financial statements. This method of outsourcing works well when you still have time to do some of your bookkeeping and you want to stay in touch with the day-to-day transactions, but you want the overall confidence knowing that someone has reviewed your entries and has reconciled all of your accounts for accuracy. If you decide at any point in time that you don't want to do any of your bookkeeping, you can outsource this information in a few simple steps. You'd need to give your bookkeeper access to your financial information, such as your bank statements, payroll, credit card statements, and loan information, for example. They would then take this information and make sure all of the data has been entered. They reconcile and verify everything for accuracy, and then they send you your up-to-date financial statements. This work can be done either locally, on-site, or remotely. Most outsourced bookkeepers will do your bookkeeping remotely, but there are some instances where you might want to have someone locally so that they're able to come to your business and work on-site. Regardless of how much or how little you want your outsourced bookkeeper to do, they can help you alleviate stress at tax time by providing the information needed to your tax preparer so that your tax return is filed on time. Whether you outsource all or parts of your bookkeeping, or you decide to continue to do your own bookkeeping, your responsibility as a business owner is to make sure you have accurate and timely financial information, and that you understand what your financial statements tell you about the health of your business. Make sure that you ask your bookkeeper any questions that you might have regarding your financial statements, or get the help that you need so that you can continue to generate revenues and increase the profits in your business. If you're ready to have a profitable business as a solopreneur or with a side hustle, you can join us in the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. To help your business be more profitable and keep more of your money in your pocket, I walk you through not only understanding your financial statements, but also how you can generate more revenues. By taking control of your business finances, you can create the profitable business that you're striving for. We prioritize and work on the essential tasks in your business. We help you make decisions and generate revenue while creating a work-life balance that you can enjoy. Where you are right now in your business is the perfect place for you to join us. And if you're ready to start, don't let thoughts about the perfect offer, confusion about your pricing, or the fact that you're still working for an employer stop you. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. You can join us by going to financialadventure.com/profit and take advantage of our limited time founding member pricing. Generating revenue and increasing profits requires you to have the right mindset and accountability so that you get results. This is what we do inside the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. And it's perfect for you if you're a solopreneur or you have a side hustle and you're ready to be more profitable in your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I help business owners just like you who know it's time to do something different because what you've been doing in the past isn't getting you the results you want. We'll make sure that you understand your business finances, what your next steps are, and follow through with the vision that you have for your business so that you can truly enjoy your business. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.